Hey guys, this is Kakolam Beach at South Goa. So, to reach Kakolam Beach, you have to park your bike or car at the hilltop only, and from there, you have to trek down. So, it is a 10 minutes trek. Okay, so you have to trek down to the mountains, and you will see this very beautiful, scenic, private Kakolam Beach. So South Goa is all about peace and calm. Okay, so if you come here, you will only see like very peaceful private beaches and all scenic views with full greeneries. So I guess some kind of a waterfall it's there in Kakolam Beach. When you reach Kakolam Beach, it is just opposite to the beach only. There's a water flowing. See the fresh water. It is just going to the sea. So and one sad thing is no, like people have littered lot of like plastics and bottles and everywhere in the beach. So please don't do this. Be responsible enough. And let me tell you, I have reached here at September month, and it was a very high waves here. So I couldn't swim in the beach, but I have taken some videos near the waves, like waves moving and all. You can enjoy the scenes from here. Wow, amazing scene. Wow, please come here. If you come to South Goa, don't miss Kakolam Beach. And please stay tuned. After Kakolam Beach, I'm gonna show you an very beautiful and never ever seen waterfall. Now, after enjoying a scenic view of Kakolam Beach, we checked into our hotel stays, which we had booked at Konakona. And now we are heading towards Bhupar Waterfalls, a hidden gem of South Goa. On hotel stays, I have made a small video. I have given link in the description. Please do watch it so that you get to know the price and policies of hotel as well. And also, I've covered up the COVID restrictions in Goa. Please do watch the video. Hey guys, we are at Bapur Waterfalls right now. Okay, so you can just Google it, saying Bapur Waterfalls. You'll get the location. And for now, the recent update for this waterfall is you can see this board here, which says no tourist shall be allowed to enter the waterfalls in the village Bapur and nearby areas. So actually this place is closed. Anyway, I don't see anyone over here. I'll just show you. Okay, just have a look. But it is really awesome place to visit in South Goa. So this is a very amazing place. See, look at the waterfall. I'm just going nearby now, but I don't know when it will be unrestricted. For now it is restricted. So, and the today's date is September 17 2021. I don't know, some people is sitting over there. Oh my god, just have a look at this waterfalls, dude. Just have a look at this waterfall. Seriously, it's very amazing. I feel like I just want to go now. I just go and be inside it. Oh my god. कूदूं क्या? जाऊं क्या? Oh my god. चले क्या? Even though this place was COVID restricted for tourists, I could not stop myself without getting inside the water, and this place was literally amazing with awesome views and beautiful nature and this fish spa. This was so relaxing and so tingling that I stayed here for around 1.5 hours. I think the COVID restriction for this place will be removed from October. My advice is please do inquire about the restriction in this place with the locals or with some officials, and please do visit this place.
from the South Goa, you did not see this waterfall, then you are a fool. Just enjoying. I'm trying to reach over there. I will show you how much level it is.